Okay, section 6.7 is financial model. Simple interest. The formula is I is equal to P, P is the present value, R is the annual percent rate in decimal, and T is the time in years. This is the formula for the simple interest. The compound interest is future value is A, capital A is future value is equal to P, is the present value, 1 plus R over M, raise everything to the NT. N is the compounding. Compounding is the amount of payment period that we have in 1 year. So we have different possibilities. Suppose N equal 1 annually, N equal 2 semi-annually, 4 quarterly, 12 monthly, and 365 daily. T is again the time in years. Okay, we have then a future value formula. This is the future value formula. Future value is equal to present value, parenthesis 1 plus R over M. R is annual percent rate, N is the compound, and T is the time in years. And this is the formula to compute the present value when you have future value. Okay. Okay, now one special case is when this continuous problem, when the compounding is infinity, so it's infinity time of a payment period. Okay, this is applying a special case, for example, when you talk about inflation, or when you talk about, for example, the price of the stock market, it's a quantity that varies too fast. So now you consider a continuous problem. And the formula for finding the future value is like that. Using exponential, using e, the base e, que is a rational number, and the future value is exactly the same, but it's negative exponent. Okay, present value and future value. Okay, let's see example number 1. In the example number 1, if $10,000 is invested in an account at 3% APR, compounded quarterly, how much will be in the account in 5 years if no money is withdrawn? Okay, the data we have is present value is equal to 10,000. Annual percent rate in decimal is 0.03. You divide it by 100. N is quarterly is 4, and T is 5 in years. And you need to find future value. Future value is equal to the formula present value 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. Okay, now future value is equal to 10,000 parenthesis 1 plus 0.03 over 4 raised to the multiplication NT, and multiplication N times T is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. The power is 20. And you put in the calculator. In the calculator we have 10,000 parenthesis 1 plus 0.03 over 4 close the parenthesis, power 20. And the answer is future value is equal $11,611.84. You round to the nearest cent, 84. Okay, perfect. Okay, now example 2. John wants to buy a 30,000 car. He say 27,000. Find the number of years it will take for his 27,000 to grow to 30,000 at 4% compound quarterly. Okay, in this case the information that we have is future value. The value is the price of the car that we need. Future value, present value is the money that you have right now, 27,000. The account when you deposit is R, is 4%, 0.04 in decimal, and compounding is saying is 4. And you don't know the time. Time you don't know, the amount of year. Okay? Now again we start for the formula. The formula is future value is equal present value, parenthesis 1 plus R over N T. Okay? Substitution. Who is future value? Future value is 30,000. Present value is 27. 1 plus R is 0.04 divided by 4, and NT is 4 times T. And manipulate so for T. This is typical exponential equation. Okay, now I propose you, for example, divide by 27,000 both sides. So we cancel out this 0. And you reduce in lowest term, divided by 3 is 10, divided by 3 is 9. Is equal 1 plus. This is 0.04 divided by 4 is 0.0140. Or it's equivalent to say 1.0140. Okay, and this is an exponential equation. Okay, now you apply logarithm both sides. I apply ln natural logarithm because I want. Doesn't matter what you apply. ln 10 over 9 is equal ln 1.01 raised to the 40. I apply a property for the logarithm. This exponent goes to the front like a 40 natural logarithm of 1.01. Now solve for t. Is ln 10 over 9 divided by 4 ln 1.01 is equal to t. Okay, now I put in the calculator. In the calculator you have natural logarithm. Okay, clear. Natural logarithm of 10 divided by 9 divided by parenthesis 4 times natural logarithm of 1.01 close double parenthesis. The answer is 2.6, approximately 2.6 years is the answer.